Greetings and welcome to yet another installment of our personal discovery series. Yesterday we talked about mission, and we said a mission are those activities at which one must consistently excel in order to achieve their desired reality. And we said your desired reality, which is your vision, has to be what God has in store for you, not what you have in store for yourself. Now we look at the next part, which is values. Why is it important to have values? Values are those lines that you will not cross, those principles that you will not compromise, those limits that you will not exceed as you pursue your mission towards your vision. So you are clear about the vision, which is where God would have you go. But you do not want to cross or to bend certain rules or to cross certain lines or to compromise certain principles as you go forward. My question to you is, have you defined certain principles that you will not compromise? Now, you can think about principles, or you could do the easy thing, which is go to your Bible and extract the principles from there. The Bible is very, very clear about the principles that we need to uphold. And so we need to ask ourselves, how many of those are we upholding? The question is not really a legalist question of thou shalt not. When we pose the question that way, it makes it difficult even for the Christian to assimilate. The question we should be asking ourselves is, do we see the value in the commandments? Do you perceive the value that these commandments have for us? The whole issue of thou shalt not, that's straightforward. But that comes down as a hammer. But what we want to know is, do you perceive the fact that these values, these laws, these rules, these regulations, these principles, these guidelines are actually for your benefit? That is the main question. And so in the personal discovery series, the challenge is not so much as to recite the 10 commandments and understand why it is important for us to adhere to them, or to know the threat of burning in hell, and because of the threat of burning in hell, to then push yourself towards. The question is, if the presence of hell was removed from the equation of salvation, you are told there's no heaven and there's no hell, would you still live a life that is in accordance with those principles? Do you accept those principles as a lifestyle? Or is it more because of the attraction of heaven and the fear of hell? So ask yourself and challenge yourself. And in the detailed part of this series, you should come onto the detailed part of the series where you will see us treat each and every one of these individually. We challenge you to actually identify the benefits in each and every commandment, the benefits to you of each and every commandment. That way you will understand the values and they will become a natural lifestyle. God bless you.